Hello everyone, my name is Mehmet Genç from Turkey. So this presentation for social data mining class assignment second. It's gonna about creating a web application using Flask, and also we are gonna scraping data from our social media, which is I prefer Twitter, and we will posting tweet from web application. And also this tweet will go to the MongoDB database at the same time. Let's check out overview first. So first of all, we're gonna review technologies, and the second one going to be steps, which is how I built the structure. I'm gonna explain it. The third one is about the coding. We will check out the coding part, and the last one is going to be the demo, which is we're gonna posting tweet from my web application. Technologies: I use Bootstrap for designing, the Flask, Visual Studio Code, MongoDB, and I prefer the Python as a coding language. Also for the Twitter connection, I use TWP library and HTML, of course. Let's check out the project development. So first of all, I installed and imported the necessary libraries, which was plenty of. And the second one, Twitter scraping and coding part. And the third one was posting tweets on my web application. Let's check out my Twitter API. So as you can see, there is a consumer case and authentication tokens. I use the consumer case and the access token and secret case. So all this case provided by the Twitter, because I have a Twitter developer account. So we'll see how I use all these keys. This is my data model. This one is my web application. And let's check out the coding part. Importing necessary libraries. I import plenty of libraries. For example, the TWP, PyMongo, Flask, render template request, URL, JSON. That's all we need. Twitter connection. So consumer key, consumer script key, I use everything in here. And this one is the root for the Twitter. I use the post as a method, post function as a method. Let's briefly check out the index.html. This page for my web application design, and here is the tweet HTML. This page for after the posting tweet from my web application, it's come up to tweeted. And the MongoDB part. Let's check out my Visual Studio Code. So I create the folder that name is Flask tweet for this assignment, and I have templates. This one is my environment. I create the virtual environment. So I'm stopping. Yep, you can see. My main file, Python file, is app.py. I have the tab file and index.html and tweet.html. So let's check out my main file. So importing and installing some necessary libraries. Here's my Mongo client URL, so which is my username, my password, and my database name here. Twitter setup. So the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret is allow me to connect my Twitter account. And there is a root in here for the index HTML, and another root is for the Twitter. I use the post function for a method as a method, and request method equal post. And also I use Tweet HTML in here. Let's check out briefly my HTML file. I use some Bootstrap for designing, and the last HTML file is pretty short. So let's try my web application. I'm gonna run it my program. Okay. So let's try first hello world. Yeah, we can try this one. Hello world is coming from okay, there was a unexpected error, but I fixed it. Yep, we can try again. Okay. Yep, hello there. Let's check out my Twitter account. Yeah, everything is here. 6 seconds ago, hello there. And I can try one more. Hello social data mining